Today we're looking at the Mixed Air Temperature Interactive Calculator, which determines the resulting temperature when two or more airstreams combine. This calculator has 6 calculation modes available through the drop-down menu. Calculate mixed air temperature, calculate airstream 1 flow rate, calculate airstream 2 flow rate, calculate airstream 1 temperature, calculate airstream 2 temperature, and calculate 3-stream mixed temperature. For this demonstration, we'll use the Calculate Mixed Air Temperature mode. The input fields include Airstream 1 temperature, T1, Airstream 1 flow rate, Q1, Airstream 2 temperature, T2, and Airstream 2 flow rate, Q2. There's also a Mixed Air Temperature T-mixed field, plus Airstream 3 temperature T3, and Airstream 3 flow rate Q3 for 3-stream calculations. Let's work through an example. When you enter your airstream temperatures and flow rates, then click Calculate, the tool computes the mixed air temperature based on the energy balance principle. The result appears instantly, showing the equilibrium temperature where your airstreams blend. This calculation is essential for HVAC design, ventilation system analysis, and any application where air mixing occurs. Find the link in the description below.